So in today's video I'll be showing you how to upload your files like photos, videos and the likes on Google Drive, so that even if you lost your device, your phone, your gadget, you can still retrieve and recover your files on Google Drive as long as you sign in with your Google account. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. Do it to subscribe and engage. I'm Duben for God 247. Let's dive in. Good day, beloved of God. This is Duben for God 247. So here is how to upload your file the right way on Google Drive. So first of all, click on the file link. It will ask you to choose your account. Select any of your email or Gmail accounts. Then it will take you to Google Drive. So click this plus sign or plus button, click upload. It will take you to your files where you choose the file you want to upload. So I want to upload video file, so I select video. You can select this to see it boldly or clearly. So let me upload one video. Okay, let me do this. Let me upload this very one. You can see it is uploading. Let's wait for it. It will take few seconds to upload. You can see it here. Look at it. It has uploaded. Can you see it? It has uploaded. This is the file. But in case yours did not upload, this could be the small challenge or small problem. When you click these three dots, the three line, go to transfer files only over Wi-Fi. My setting was like this. It was on, but I was the one who turned it off. Why? Because I'm making use of my phone data, not a Wi-Fi. But in case you're making use of Wi-Fi, you can turn it on so that the file will upload. But if you're not connected to Wi-Fi, there is no need. Turn it off so that your file will upload. If you turn it on and you're not making use of Wi-Fi, your files will not upload. So that is how it works. I hope this helps.
The man by the pull up beside her. You pull his problem asunder. So how can